हाय फ्रेंड्स, आई एम के एस चौधरी। यहाँ हम बात करेंगे विल हैव टू। करना पड़ेगा, करना होगा। राइट, शी विल हैव टू सिट हियर। राइट, उसे यहाँ बैठना पड़ेगा। इन दिस केस राहुल हैव टू डू स्टडी। राइट, राहुल को पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी बिकॉज राहुल इज वेरी वीक। इन दिस केस I will have to learn English. Okay, mostly we use shall, but nowadays we are using the will also. Right? I will have to learn English. मुझे इंग्लिश सीखनी पड़ेगी. Obligation है यहाँ पर. You will have to listen my talk. Okay, first you will have to listen my talk. I will listen your talk. पहले मेरी बात सुननी पड़ेगी. तो first you will have to listen my talk. Right, first you will have to listen my talk, then I will listen your talk. In this way, right, you will have to do something for me. कुछ ना कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा आपको. Right, Ravi will have to give party. Right, रवि बर्थडे, तो रवि को पार्टी देनी पड़ेगी, देनी होगी. In this case I will have to talk with your parents. Nowadays you are not doing study. पढ़ नहीं रहे हैं आजकल आप, तो आपके पापा से मुझे बात करनी पड़ेगी, आपके पेरेंट्स से बात करनी पड़ेगी. आई विल हैव टू टॉक विद योर पेरेंट्स. नेक्स्ट, एटलीस्ट यू विल हैव टू टेक टी. आपको चाय तो लेनी पड़ेगी. अब पहली बार घर आए, फर्स्ट टाइम यू हैव कम माई होम. और जैसे आगे बढ़ाना है तो आप बोल सकते हैं फर्स्ट टाइम you have come my home. You have come my home. You have come my home. Right, my home. तो कम से कम चाय तो आपको लेनी पड़ेगी. At least you will have to take tea. तो in this way जहां obligation होती है, in this way it is depend on tone. We can say that anger way. Right, तो मैं ये काम करना पड़ेगा. You will have to do this work. Right? Yes, you will have to come in my marriage early. आना पड़ेगा because you are my best friend. तो आपको आना पड़ेगा. You will have to come in my marriage because you are my best friend. So इन्हें pressurely आना ही पड़ेगा, आना ही होगा. In this condition we use will have to come. You will have to come in my marriage. Right, because you are my best friend, that's why you will have to come. जहां obligation हो, have to करना है, और will have to करना पड़ेगा. Right, it is the differences between have to and जहां पड़ेगा. Right, we use will have to. Right, अब मुझे जाना होगा. Now I will have to go. Right, now I will have to go. Right, मुझे ही सारे काम करने पड़ेंगे. I will have to do all work because my mother has gone somewhere, my wife has gone somewhere. कहीं गए तो सारे काम घर के मुझे ही करने पड़ेंगे. Okay, yes. All domestic work I have to do. मुझे सब्जी बनानी पड़ेगी. I will have to make vegetable. I will have to make chapati. I will have to make, okay, we can say that sweet. I will have to bring namkeen. सारे काम मुझे ही करने पड़ेंगे. Right, तो in this way the use it is depend on tone. Right, we can say that तुम्हें आगे बैठना पड़ेगा. You will have to sit ahead. तुम्हें मेरी बात सुननी पड़ेगी. You will have to listen my talk. Okay, we can say that. So pressurely that time we use will have to. Right, you don't say from your mother कि आपको खाना बनाना पड़ेगा. You will have to make food. Oh, after all she is your mother, so you can't say that कि you will have to make food. You will have to make food for me. You can't say dot at this kind of because your mother. कि आपको बनाना ही पड़ेगा, right? I can't say that. मैं भी नहीं बोल सकता कि आपको मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा. You will have to subscribe my channel. It is your wish. It is your mood. Mood पे डिपेंड है कि आपको लाइक करना पड़ेगा. You will have to like my video. I can't say. नहीं बोल सकता, right? You will have to do something for me, right? You will have to do comments on my video. I can't say have to, करना है. Okay? Yes. Bye.